Asking yourself, does booking a meeting with my coworkers need to be so difficult? Well, it doesn't have to be, thanks to Microsoft and FindTime for Microsoft Outlook. Hi everyone, my name's Mike and I'm back with another time-saving, efficiency-gaining, and productivity-generating tech tip. It wasn't all that long ago, a number of my team members were trying to organize a 60-minute meeting to review some performance metrics. Well, the back and forth trying to get the meeting arranged ended up taking more time than the actual meeting itself. There had to be a better way. Well, there is. FindTime for Microsoft Outlook. So how does FindTime work? FindTime shows what days and times work the best for you and the attendees when available using free or busy data. Everyone will then get a say to what dates and times work for them. When everyone has selected a date and time, a meeting invite is generated. Simple enough. To get started with FindTime, go to findtime.microsoft.com and click the Install button. You will need a valid Office 365 or Microsoft 365 subscription. When done, restart Outlook and presto, FindTime is installed. There you have it, FindTime for Microsoft Outlook. We hope this tool saves you a ton of headaches. Thanks everyone for tuning in to this week's Tech Tip. You have an idea for a future tech tip? Just let us know.